Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Hop School and College assisted by Sindh Education Foundation. In previous video we have discussed the introduction of 3 chapters. In this video we will discuss about chapter number 4, cell and tissue. In this chapter we will learn about microscope, cellular structure and functions, and organelle system and tissues. Our first topic is microscope. Invented by Zecharis Janssen, it is an instrument used to observe the small object. There are two types of microscopes, light microscope and the electron microscope. In light microscope, light is passes to the specimen, and in electron microscope, the electrons are passes to specimen. Now the other topic is cell theory given by three scientists, Sheldon, Schwann and the Rudolf Virchow. Now cell is the basic unit of organism. All things are made up of cells. There are two types of cells, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Now the next one is cell wall. It is a non-living protective layer in plants. Now another topic is cell membrane. It is the outermost living boundary of all cells. It separates the intracellular environment from extracellular environment. Now another topic is diffusion, movement of substance from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Then another is osmosis, movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane. There are 12 cell organelles found in living organisms: cytoplasm, cytoskeleton, and the nucleus. It contains genetic information. Then mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, and the endoplasmic reticulum. It contains two types, smooth and rough. Then ribosomes, it is the RNA factory, make proteins. Then Golgi bodies, it contains vesicles, lysosomes, and the vacuoles. Vacuoles are present in the cytoplasm of plant cell. Then centrioles and the plastid and its types. Plastid contain three types of color: chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. Then tissue. Similar cells are grouped together to perform common function is called tissue. There are two types of tissue: animal tissue and plant tissue. Human and other multicellular animals are made up of 4 types of tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissues, and nervous tissue. Plant tissues are made up of 2 types of tissue: meristematic tissues and the permanent tissues. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe the Hope School and College.